Hello my beautiful grade 1, how are you doing? Hope everything is fine and okay. So today we have a new science lesson. So it's unit 9, lesson 2. The lesson is what are solids, liquids and gases? What are solid, liquids and gases? First of all, let's talk about matter. So what we said, what is a matter? So a matter is anything that takes up space. It has a mass. So anything around us, as we said previously, is a matter. Even the air that we breathe, even this pencil, even us people, we are matters, okay? So a matter is anything that takes up space, as well as it has a mass. What is mass? Mass is the amount of the matter something has. Again, mass is the amount of the matter that something has. Matter may be different. Different kinds of matters are solid, liquids, and gases. Those are the states of a matter, different kind of matter. So now, those we already know them. What's new is that we have 3 different kinds of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, now I want you just think and give me examples of solid things. And think and give me example of liquid things. And give me also example of a gas. Okay, let's see. I guess you're doing well. Okay, solid like the pencil, the table, our book, a banana. Amazing. Liquids like what? Water, juice, soft drink. What else? I have a student who told me perfume. So yeah, oil, vinegar, everything that is like water, let's say, so it's liquid. And gases is what we see inside. We see actually what it is inside the balloon. So the air that we breathe is gas, okay? The oxygen is a gas, okay? Excellent. So now here, what we're gonna do, they said we're gonna talk more about solid. So solid as a rock. Rocks are solid. A solid is a kind of matter that keeps its shape. What does it mean? It means those flip-flops are flip-flops. I'm not gonna change it. I'm not gonna put it in another place and it's gonna change. It's gonna stay the same. This towel is a towel. So it's not gonna change when I'm gonna take it from here and put it in another side or another place, okay? So solids, kind of matter that keeps its own shape, okay? What about liquid? A liquid is a matter that flows. It takes the shape of its container. Basically, yeah. Look at the girl over here. The juice here has a shape. Do you see the juice? The red one over here. Kind of orangey. Anyway, the red one over here. So this one over here, it has a shape. But when she put it on this cup, you can see it took another shape. Basically, liquids in general, they take the shape of their containers. When you just change the container, the liquid change its shape. Now we're gonna say here, what is a gas? A gas is the only kind of matter that fills all of the space in its container. Let's repeat this together. A gas is the only kind of matter that fills all the space in its container. Like what? Like those balloons. All the space inside those balloons is full of air, okay? Which is a gas. Here inside this balloon we have gas. This one also inside of it, the whole place inside the balloon is full of a gas, okay? So gas does not have its own shape like liquids. The gas in the balloon spreads to fill all the space, okay? Inside the bubbles as well we have gas, okay? Okay, good job. So here they asked us a question. What kind of matter is inside the balloons? We just said it right now, but please try to write gas. Okay. Then we're gonna move to this page over here. Actually, we're gonna divide it into 2 because it's one big table. And we're gonna start answering the question. We have here a lemonade, sunglasses, and dish soap, okay? So they said, does it have a mass? The lemonade, they already said yes. What about the sunglasses? What do you think? Does it have a mass? Does it have a weight? Yeah, excellent. What about the dish soap? Yes, super. Now here, does it take up space? The lemonade, does it take a space? Super. Yes, of course. The sunglasses, obviously, yeah. What about the dish soap? Yes, it takes a space in its container over here. So yes. Okay. Now we're gonna pass to the other side of the question. And we're gonna use the same. Lemonade here, sunglasses here, dish soap here. Okay? So, does it have its own shape? The lemonade over here. Does it have its own shape? No. When I'm gonna take the lemonade, I'm gonna change its container, the shape gonna change. So basically we're gonna say no. Here they said the sunglasses, do they have their own shape? Of course, if I will take the sunglasses, I'm gonna put them in a cup. Does it gonna change? No. If I'm gonna take the sunglasses, I'm gonna put them on the table. Their shape gonna change? No. So does it have its own shape? Yes. Super, grade 1. I'm so proud of you. So last here they said the dish soap. Does it have its own shape? So like the liquid one, like the lemonade, the dish soap doesn't have its own shape. When I'm gonna change its container, it's gonna change. So the shape of it gonna change. Now here, the question is, does it take the shape of its container? Okay, so basically here we said it doesn't have its own shape, so obviously it's gonna be here. Does it like the lemonade? The dish soap doesn't have its own shape. When I'm gonna change its container, it's gonna change. So the shape of it gonna change. Now here, the question is, does it take the shape of its container? Okay, so basically here we said it doesn't have its own shape, so obviously it's gonna be here. Does it take the shape of its container? The lemonade, do you remember the lemonade? Of course it does, so we're gonna write yes. What about the sunglasses? When I'm gonna put the sunglasses on a container, it's gonna take the shape of its container? No, super. Okay, now here I'm gonna say the dish soap, does it gonna take the shape of its container? Super, great, amazing. Okay, now here they said, is it liquid or solid? Solid or liquid? So basically the lemonade, what do you think? Is it liquid or solid? Obviously, teacher, it's a liquid. Yeah. Now here, sunglasses, what do you think? Is it solid or liquid? I know it's so obvious. Amazing. Okay, what about the dish soap? What do you think? I'm gonna tell you, it's liquid. Why? Because it takes the shape of its container and it doesn't have its own shape. Okay, now we're gonna solve this exercise together. Basically, I may need an eraser. I'm gonna erase this. Or let's let it, I like it. My students who did it. So let's see, is it correct? Okay? So, circle the objects that are solid. Let's see, what do you think, solid here? This is correct, so you already circle it, good job. What about the juice? No, 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 the juice is liquid. Even though the cup is solid, but here we're talking about the juice, okay? I know you're so smart, you may ask, but the cup is solid, teacher. Yeah, the cup is solid, the bottle is solid, but the inside of it, what we have inside, water, and here juice. And we're talking about the water and the juice, okay, my smarties? Good job. Okay, and those are solids as well. They have their own shape. They don't take the shape of their containers, so they are solids, okay? Here they said, draw something that is liquid. So my beautiful student drew actually water. I can add another drawing. I'm gonna draw a beautiful juice. Something like this. It's an orange juice. You can do whatever you want. And here we have our riddle. I guess that you saw, but hopefully you didn't. Let's read it together. So, I am a kind of matter you might know. I spread out and seem to grow. I have mass and I take up space. Put me in a case and I fill the case. So here, what am I? Kind of matter that spreads. Okay, it's spread out and it has mass, it takes up space. Of course it's a gas, but let me write it properly here for you. Let's write it together. Gas. Super, grade 1. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.